Hi, my baby Yana. Good morning. Gising na yung aking pretty princess. Ay, baby Yana. Ay, wait lang. Patay natin yung aircon. Gising na pala tayo. Turn off the aircon. Can you do that? Yes. Why? What happened? There you go. Baby. Baby Yana. Yes, the light later we will turn that off. It's your birthday today. Oh, it's your birthday today. Wow. You are 10 months old. Ayan na. You are 10 months old. Say, happy birthday to my baby Yana. Uy. Yeah. Anyway, good morning mga shots. Today is January 2, 2025. So yesterday, it was a tiring day kahapon kasi nga, alam yun na, ang daming mga nagpupuyat dahil sa New Year. So ngayon kahapon, tulog ang naganap. Pero hindi tulog sa akin masyado kasi may baby ako. But nakakapagod yung New Year, no? Oh, no, 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 no. Don't put that in your mouth. Are we getting up now? Going out? Let's start our day with the broom broom. Ah, you're so cute, baby Yana. So beautiful eyes. Show them the beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Wow. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Wow. One more beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Like this. Wink. Beautiful eyes. Show me the beautiful eyes. Yeah, I know. You have a beautiful eyes. Yes? You do. Oh, kiss. Oh, you cannot kiss. Wink it. Wink your eyes. Beautiful eyes. Yay. Show me again. Show me again, baby Yana. Beautiful. I know. You're 10 months old now, baby Yana. Wow. You're growing so fast. I know. You're growing so fast. Are we going outside now? Yeah. Say thank you, Lord, for the 2024's memories. Yes, what's that? I know that's light. We're going to turn off that later on. Yes. Ay, so pretty my anak naman. Thank you, Lord. Wow, yung mga mukha namin. Wow. Where's the beautiful eyes? Show them the beautiful eyes first. Where's the beautiful eyes? Show them. Beautiful eyes. Oh no, wala na samon. Oh, come, let's get up na. Let's go outside. Mama will, did I take my vitamins last night, baby Anna? I think I forgot it. Oh, come, let's go. Yeah. Let's go outside. Let's go broom broom and have coffee. Yeah? Kailangan natin ng magkape. Anyway, let's go mga shots. Come on, let's go. Let's get up. Come on. No, wait, Monty. I'm just going to turn on the light and open the door. Ay, dami atin liligpitin ngayon, baby Yana. Baka magligpit kami ng aming Christmas tree today. Can you turn the light on, baby Yana? Turn the light on. Turn the light on, press it. Do you know how? Turn it on. Come on. No? Wait. Mama will turn it on. There you go. It's on now. We're going to make a coffee first, okay? Mama will make my coffee. Yeah. I know you want milk too. Oh, Monty didn't eat last night. What's wrong with you, Monty? You're wasting your food. Ay, naku. Sayang na naman yung pagkain ni Monty. That's not good, Monty. What's that? Huh? Back. Wait, Mama will go pee, okay? Just wait. Just wait, Mama go pee. What happened? Okay. Wait, don't move, don't move. We're going out. Busy yung aking dalawang kamay. Oh, yes. Way. Oh, what's that? Start na naman yung aming day with the broom, broom, broom. Broom, 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 pow. Yan na. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord, kinabahan ako. Buti, tumahan na siya. Nahulog siya sa kama. Yan ang sinasabi ko eh. Sorry, baby. Kinabahan ako. Baby, I'm so sorry. Kasi usually, nag-iingay to siya pag gumising. Ngayon, nilagay ko dun sa kama namin, nahulog. Yung ulo pa kamo yung nauna. Kabado ko eh. Diyos ko niyo, baby. Thank you, Lord. Ay, akong kinabahan. Ay, hindi ko mawari yung gagawin ko. Shh. Sorry, baby Yana. Ba't di ka kasi nag-ingay? Kasi usually ito nag-iingay eh. Kinabahan ako. Wait nga lang. Yana, where are you? Where are you, baby Yana? Oh. You okay? Ay, kinabahan ako. Ay. Akala ko na paano na yung anak ko. Buti na lang okay lang siya. Paano ba itong electric pa namin? Ay, nako. Taon. Iyakan agad. Ay, nako. Hindi na naman titigil yung luha ko. Sorry, baby. Nabahan talaga ako. Ay, puti na lang kamo mayroong ano. Hindi ko alam paano nangyari. Paano siya bumagsak kasi nakita ko na lang siya sa ano. Sa sahig. Bumagsak siya sa iba. Ang taas ng ano. Medyo mataas yung kama namin dun sa kabilang kwarto. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Tuloy yung mata ko. Hindi na naman titigil kakaiyak to. Ay, naku. Ay, nakulo ba naman. Sorry, baby Yana. Kabado ako. Akala ko mapapaano na naman. Thank you, Lord. Ay. Nakaliko na nga ako mga siyas kasi kaka na naman yung ating araw ngayon. Anyway, maligo muna ako para magpa-fresh tayo. Hindi na ako mag-iisip. Ayan, are you okay? Uy, wait lang. Wait, baby Yana. Yana. Woo! Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Yana! Babay din siya. Bye-bye, Yana!